Let's review the rate grid. To start, you'll notice different color coding for each price. Red means that that hotel is lower than you. Green means that they are higher than you on that day. And if they're the same color or gray, it just means that you're about the same price. You may also notice different icons next to prices. We have down arrows that tell you if the price has dropped since the last time we shopped. We also have these punctuation marks that'll tell you if there's an availability alert. So in this case, the hotel is not available today, but it was the last time we shopped, so we alert you to that. We also do the opposite, so we will tell you if they had no availability, but now they do. There's also an up arrow if the price is increased, and as you see, if I hover over it, it'll tell me how much the rate change was and what channel it was for. Another little feature here is the columns are draggable, so if you wanted to focus or rearrange these temporarily, you just click and drag to move the hotels around. If you wanted to permanently change the order on the rate grid, just email our support team. It's support@revcaster.com with the order that you want these permanently hard-coded. When we go out and shop, we try to collect everything that a customer would see. We put it all in the database, and we let you filter it later. So here on the rate grid, you can pick which type of rates you want to display. Unrestricted means this is a rate that anybody can book, and it does not have a restriction on it. Any non-qualified, it's a rate that, again, anybody can book it, but it might have a fence on it. Classic examples here would be an advanced purchase rate. Qualified just means that you have to have a membership in order to get that price. Government rate, AAA, senior discounts, those would all fall under qualified. Under the channel filter, the default is to show you the lowest price from any of the channels we were collecting from. But you can also change the filter. So you could show us the lowest price from all the branded channels. Branded Plus is a combination of branded rates and GDS rates. And then you can also filter by the specific channels that are being shopped in your report. So after you make any changes, you'll just want to click the Update button and it'll refresh the rate grid for you. Also available on the rate grid is a weather forecast. You can show or hide it here with this link. And as you can see, it just gives you a 7-day forecast based on your latitude and longitude. When you're reviewing the price information on your rate grid, you may wonder, where did these rates come from? Or what is this $279 rate? Well, we make it really easy to check that out. All you have to do is click on the price, and you'll get a detail pop-up. It'll show you all the rates for that hotel on that day that match the rate grid filter that you have chosen above. And so you can see here, we've got the full rate and room type description that we were able to collect. You can also hover over the prices, and you get a few more details. So we can see that the $279 rate here was our best available rate through the GDS channel. We also had that price listed on bookit.com. And these little icons on the left are actually deep links to that hotel on that website. So let's say I wanted to just check out Expedia and verify if this is still active. I can just click that icon, and it takes me directly to that hotel on that website, saving me a lot of time. On the rate grid, you can also download a PDF copy based on the filter that you have up here. Also, while our alerts are visible through these handy icons, we can also give you a quick little pop-up table where you could just see right away where each of the availability alerts is coming from or where all the rate change alerts are occurring.